Hi, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today on Tuesday, February the 11th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here in the third column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in the third column, and one of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. But I see here a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then the 7 is also missing in the third column. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. The only place for the 7 should be here. Then an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then a 7 in the first row, a 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here already a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then let me see. Yes. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. Then a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then a 1 in the third column, a 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be here. A 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row, sorry, in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then a 5 in this column, a 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Then 3. Then 6. One missing number in this row. The middle row is for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 1 should be here or there, but I see here already 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here already a 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here already a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers for this big square. For the numbers 9 and 5, 9 and 5, we see here already a 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 9. Then a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be here. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 6, 8, and 9. I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. I see here a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 8 and 9, 8 and 9 as a pair. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 7, 8, and 9. I see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7. It should be this one. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. For the numbers 2 and 8, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in the last row for the number 5. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 7 and 9, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here, 7 should be there, and the 9 goes here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 8 and 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes here. Then the missing numbers in these 3 boxes of this big square are for the numbers 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. I see here 2 and 5, so 1 digit left. The 3, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. 1 box is left for this column for the number 8. Yes, 8, I believe. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here already an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there, but I see here already a 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 box is left in this column for the number 9. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 6 and 7, we have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 5 goes here. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 9 and 6, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we finish this in 12 minutes. Alright, people. If you like this Sudoku Medium, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition. Bye bye.